Hello everyone, myself Saloni Gupta. So today in this video I will tell you some of the important few topics that you should never miss when you are preparing for your ABM paper, and we are talking about module C. So yesterday we did module B. What are the important topics I have already discussed, and today in this session I'll be discussing some of the topics related to module C ABM. Now, so module C is all about credit management. So in this we have few topics like priority sector lending, then loan component, working capital finance, term loan finance, then letters of credit, then factoring, forfeiting, okay, co-acceptance of bill. Then we have guarantees, SMA account, these are important. Then provisions for NPA, income recognition for NPA, then provisioning coverage ratio, ratio analysis, profitability ratio, solvency ratio. So all the formulas are important. Then projected turnover, NIAC committee method, then trade receivable electronic discounting system. Then we have all the topics related to MSME, okay, and PCE, partial credit enhancement. Then DCCO, this topic is important. And like 3 courses of action that bank provides to the company in order to recover its dues, like rectification, restructuring, rehabilitation, recovery, all the legal action by the court, SARFAESI Act, DRT. Then we have one separate chapter, that is IBC, insolvency bankruptcy code. So in that the threshold limit is important, and CIRP process, PIRP process, then NCLT, committees of creditors, 2 types of creditors, financial, operational creditors, these are important. Then liquidation process is important. So these are the few topics that are very important. Like then we have in cash budgeted method, this is important. Cash flow, fund flow, these are important. So these are all your important topic that you should have not missed when you are preparing for your ABM paper. So in tomorrow's session I will be telling you about module D, all the important topics. And if you have not enrolled in our capsule batch, then do it now. Still it is running, so you can watch the sessions already which is done. And in YouTube also I am taking the marathon sessions. So we have completed module B, C and D. And on 28 and 29, 2 days we will be having final marathon session starting from 6 PM onwards. So don't miss to watch the live classes. If not live, then please watch the recording. It is still available on YouTube. So thank you all, and let's meet tomorrow for some topics we will going to discuss for module D.